In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Chatter. This is a fantastic tool for staying connected with your team, sharing insights, and collaborating effectively within your organization. Let's dive in and walk through the essentials of Chatter to help you make the most of it. First, let's start by logging into Salesforce as you normally would. Once you're in, navigating to Chatter is simple. Head over to the top left corner of your screen and click on the app launcher. Here, type Salesforce Chatter into the search bar. As soon as you see it appear, click on it. This will redirect you to the Chatter interface where you can begin exploring its features. Now that you're in Chatter, you'll notice several tabs at your disposal, each serving a different function. Let's begin with the Post tab. By clicking Post, you can start crafting your message. You can type out your thoughts or any important information you wish to communicate. There's also an option to attach relevant files or links, which can be quite helpful. Once your message is ready, simply hit share and your post will be visible to all relevant team members. Moving on to the Poll tab, this is a great tool when you need collective input from your team. Click on Poll, enter the question you want to ask, and then add the answer options for people to choose from. There's also a field to set how long you want the poll to remain open, allowing everyone ample time to participate. After setting it up, click Share to publish your poll. Next, we have the Question tab. This is perfect for when you need feedback or expertise on a particular issue. Click Question and type your inquiry into the field provided. You can also add more details or tags to make it easier for team members to find and respond to your question. Click Share to post it, and keep an eye out for any responses from your colleagues. Chatter also allows for group interaction. You can join existing Chatter groups or create new ones. Within these groups, you have the freedom to post updates, comment on discussions, and share files, making them ideal for targeted communication and collaboration. Speaking of files, the Files tab is where you'll upload any documents you wish to share. Click Files, upload your chosen documents, and then you can easily share them within your posts or groups, ensuring everyone has access to the resources they need. Finally, to efficiently find anything within Chatter, use the search feature. Whether you're hunting for people, specific groups, specific posts, or shared files, this tool is incredibly useful for quickly locating what you need. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Salesforce Chatter. I hope you find these steps helpful as you integrate Chatter into your daily workflow. Happy chatting!